Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this recipe is made up of two powerful ingredients. This second one, I rarely see people using it. I don't know, maybe probably because they think it's only for weight gain, and guys, it is actually very good for long, thick and healthy hair. Now the one I am dishing into a container is called rosemary. Rosemary has been known to be a very good ingredient to grow your hair massively. You want to have that long hair, you want your hair to be growing out, like you'll be seeing the strands of your hair growing out massively. So rosemary is very good to grow your hair long, thick and healthy. Dandruff issues, it helps to clean your scalp. That is another wonderful thing I love about rosemary, like it helps to clean your scalp, dandruff and all. The next one is called fennel. This is the ingredient I was talking about earlier in this video. Now fennel is actually mainly used for weight gain, but guess what, it is good for long and healthy hair, and it helps to protect your hair from the roots to the tip. When you add it to your hair, I prefer people use it for a moisturizer because it helps to protect your hair from damage, from hair thinning and all. And beyond that, it is actually very good to grow your hair long and thick and healthy. Now this texture of this fennel is actually gelatinous, yes, which helps to moisturize your hair. It gives you that moisturizing element, like it moisturizes your hair so well. Sure you understand. Now the next thing is to infuse it in hot water. Please don't mind my pot. Don't mind my pot, don't look at that pot. Yes, so I am doing this with hot water. Please do it with hot water and leave it for 24 hours. Yes, leave it for 24 hours actually. So after 24 hours, it is time to drain and just to use the moisture. Guys, if you notice that it is not gelatinous, it's natural, or it has not like transformed into another color, yes, please and please, you've just done a beautiful rubbish. Yes, it's already for you. Used to leave it for at least 24 hours. You can leave it to like 28 hours actually. Sure you get. So this, can you see that it's gelatinous? Can you see the color of my mixture? Please, if you are not getting these results, my dear, just soak it back, like just leave it and soak it back. Sure you understand. So the next thing was to transfer into a bottle. I'm using a serum bottle. You can actually use what's it called, you can actually use what's this thing called, spraying bottle. Actually you can use that, but I prefer this for this method. I needed it for my scalp. Yes, I needed it for my scalp and also for my hair as well, but I can work with any, whether I use a spraying bottle or this. Sure you get. But spraying bottle is actually very easy to use. You just spray it on your head 1 to 3 and you are done. Do you understand? So the next is just to teach you how to apply it to your hair. So how do I apply it? Like I said earlier, I use it for the root of my hair. I majorly don't use it for moisturizing because I have another thing that I can use to moisturize my hair. Sure you get. But it is actually very good to moisturize your hair because of the texture. And guys, you want to grow long hair, don't joke with rosemary and fennel. I can't overemphasize on this. Like it is actually very good to grow your hair long and thick, and also like something is growing your hair, and also it protects your hair as well from damage, from hair thinning, from hair breakage. Okay, and you're telling me your hair will not grow long and healthy in this 2026? You're gonna be joking. So it is actually very good for your hair. So please, if you are using this method, please make sure you do it appropriately. Make sure it reach every corner of your scalp. yes, every corner of your scalp. You see the way I was shaking my head. So please and please make sure it reaches every corner of your scalp. So the next thing I do say that seal the moisture in your hair with any oil. Now I'm using an Ayurvedic oil and I have posted the video. Please and please, if you are using an Ayurvedic, if you buy an Ayurvedic oil, it is normal for you to have some residue at the bottom of your bottle. So whenever you want to use an Ayurvedic oil, because it's made with a lot of ingredients, I use about 8 ingredients for this oil. Please shake properly so that you will not be using share you get. So shake properly and add to your hair. You don't have to add too much. It's to actually like go round to your scalp and how just add a bit and just go share you get. So I added this actually in the morning. You can add it in the night. Actually, I don't go out often, so I added it in the morning. So that is just it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely want to see you in my next video. Bye for now.